In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reset Thrustmaster T300. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Resetting or recalibrating your Thrustmaster T300 is extremely simple. Regardless of the model that you have, there is going to be an auto calibration function built into the wheel itself. To run this, you have to do a specific combination of buttons. So, place the steering wheel exactly in the middle, make sure that it is not wobbly, and once you are ready to run the calibration process at the same time, you will have to press the SE or share button, the ST or option button, and the mode button simultaneously. When you press this combination of buttons, the racing wheels LED briefly changes color and it is going to go back to the original one. This means that the wheel's center value has been reset and automatically saved to the device's internal memory. At this point in the process, you don't have to repeat this step every single time that you want to use the wheel, and it is going to be recalibrated. Of course, you can do it again if you notice that still is not perfect, but as long as it was properly placed in a flat surface and you recentered it properly, you will be good to go. You can open any compatible game and start using the steering wheel now. So once again, the combination of buttons that you need to do for most models of Thrustmaster steering wheels is going to be the share button, the option button, and the mode button. When you press this combination of buttons, it is going to be reset. So keep trying this combination until it is properly centered or leveled. You can run the calibration process as many times as you need, but like I said previously, it's not needed to run it every single time that you want to use the wheel. This should work for the T300 RS, GT, Ferrari GTE, and so on. And if you are still having problems, I highly recommend looking into the option to update the firmware. So connect it to a PC, download the latest version of the drivers and firmware, and make sure that everything is up to date, available, and you will be able to use it without any issues on any compatible device and game. After you do the reset, it is going to be realigned and you will be good to go to use your T300 steering wheel. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset your Thrustmaster T300. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.